add it up. Bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up.
Hey guys, welcome to the new episode of Design Diaries. Myself Rohan. I am a trained designer, but I am definitely not a trained painter or trained artist, and that is why I have a lot of curiosity about trying different mediums of art. So today's topic is going to be about oil medium. Previously, I have also made a video when I tried oil painting for the first time, but today the thing is I'm going to give a serious attempt to oil painting, and I'm going to try a portrait. Obviously, for the first time, the likeliness of the figure is going to be very little, but the main topic here, or the main interesting part of today's video, is going to be just to feel oil paints and the feeling of using it, and different techniques or different brush strokes of using oil paints. That is going to be the thing. So let's hope for the best and let's try it out. Once the drawing was completed, I started with thicker layers of oil paint for the skin tones, and I defined the middle tones, the shadows, with even thicker layers of paint. So this was something very new to me. I had never painted like this. I saw some theory videos and I got to know about thin to thick technique, which is essential. And I'm used to watercolors, and the experience with oil paints was definitely completely different. I had never expected this kind of an experience. The way oil paints mix with each other, the way they flow, and the way a thicker oil paint defines the boundaries, that is quite different than watercolors. And although it is challenging to handle all the materials and the layers, but some way oil paint just helps you in defining the gradients or the skin tones, which is really good. To be really honest, I just enjoyed playing around with the colors, although I was very skeptical about whether the likeliness of this figure will be there or not. But the experience of just putting down the oil paints on the canvas, that was something really mesmerizing and pleasure for me. I had never done it really seriously. Of course, I have tried oil paints for the first time in my last video, but at that time I did not have white oil paint. So it was not really an experience per se. It was just to try out the materials. But here I was really trying out all my skills, and I was really trying to get something out of it. And I would say that for the very first time in a serious attempt like this, the output has not been so bad although the likeliness I completely lost with the figure. But you guys have to tell me in the comments what do you feel about this painting. So keep watching and keep subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think about it. Your encouragement, your comments will definitely encourage me to succeed in what I'm doing.